Get low when the whistle go.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
On my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know. Feeling low.
For making this emergency light, you will need a tube with a cap. You can use Pringles box as it is easily available in the market. We will use this as the base of the LED. You have to mark 9 cm on the tube with the help of scale. You can use paper to mark the lines all around the tube. You have to use a hacksaw to cut the tube in required length. After cutting, it will look like this. I have used 3-volt LED in this project. You will require 6 LEDs for this project. All these LEDs are with heatsink. We will fix these 6 LEDs on the metal side, as metal will absorb the heat and will increase the life of the LEDs. You can use super glue to fix them on the base. I have used a copper wire to solder all these connections. I have created a circle of the wire to connect all the points of the LEDs. After soldering, it will look like this. I have created another circle which is smaller in size for the inner terminals of the LEDs. You have to connect all the LEDs in parallel, one side positive points and another side negative points. After soldering both the wires, it will look like this. One is positive point, another is negative. You have to take 2 wires of different colors to solder the positive and negative terminals of the LED to the socket. See how I soldered both the wires. After soldering, it will look like this. You can use heat shrink tube to cover the open wire to prevent any damage to the product. Heat shrink tubes are easily available in the market. You can buy them from any electrical shop. You just have to cover the open wires to prevent any fatal damage. Now we have to take a switch and have to create a hole on the tube for fitting the switch in the body. You can use any switch as per your preference. You just have to cut a hole in the tube and fit the switch like this. Now you have to solder one wire of the LED to the switch and have to take the other from the second terminal of the switch. Now you have to fix the switch in the body with the help of super glue. Now you have to take two lithium ion cells. These are 18650 cells and are easily available in the market. Then you have to make a battery pack like this. It's simple. You have to just cover the cells with each other with the help of tape. Now you have to take two wires. I have connected two wires with a single pole. You have to connect cells in parallel. Now you have to connect a wire at the negative side and other at the positive side. After soldering, it will look like this. After all this, you have to take a TP4056 module. It is a module used for charging the lithium-ion batteries. It acts as a battery protection module and is also available in the market easily. You have to connect one wire of the both segments to the module and other two wires to one point of the LEDs and other to the switch. After all the solderings, you just have to fix all the material in the body. Then it will look like this. You have to create a hole for the micro USB point at the back of the tube. You can use soldering iron to do the hole. After this, it will look like it. Now we will test the charging of the project. You can charge it with a micro USB cable. I have tested this project, which is this LED, at the rooftop, and it is quite bright and useful. Bye all.